Welcome back to the Tell Me More Now channel. The importance of taking small steps to achieve big results in life. They are important because they serve as the building blocks of progress and change. While big goals can feel overwhelming and daunting, breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps makes them more achievable. Small steps also help to maintain motivation and momentum by providing tangible evidence of progress. Here are 15 examples of small actions that can lead to big changes. Subscribe to be notified of new videos on personal growth, wellness, and self-help. 1. Daily exercise. Committing to a short workout or a brisk walk each day can lead to improved physical fitness and overall health over time. 2. Healthy eating habits. Making small changes to your diet, such as adding more vegetables to your meals or reducing sugary snacks, can gradually lead to better nutrition and weight management. 3. Learning a new skill. Spending just 15-30 minutes each day practicing a new skill, whether it's playing an instrument, learning a language, or coding, can result in significant proficiency over weeks and months. 4. Saving money. Setting aside a small portion of your income regularly, even if it's just a few dollars a week, can accumulate into substantial savings over time. 5. Daily reading. Reading just a few pages of a book each day can lead to finishing multiple books in a month, broadening your knowledge and perspective. 6. Gratitude practice. Taking a moment each day to jot down 3 things you're grateful for can shift your mindset towards positivity and improve overall well-being. 7. Decluttering. Spending 10-15 minutes each day tidying up a small area of your home can lead to a clutter-free living space and reduced stress levels. 8. Networking. Reaching out to one new contact or engaging with existing connections on social media regularly can expand your professional network and open up new opportunities. 9. Mindfulness meditation. Practicing mindfulness for just a few minutes each day can lead to improved focus, reduced anxiety, and greater emotional resilience over time. 10. Setting daily goals. Setting achievable daily goals and consistently working towards them can increase productivity and help you progress towards larger aspirations. 11. Daily reflection. Spending a few minutes each evening reflecting on your day, identifying areas of growth, and setting intentions for the next day can promote self-awareness and personal development. 12. Hydration habits. Making it a habit to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning and keeping a water bottle with you throughout the day can improve hydration levels, energy levels, and overall health. 13. Digital detox. Setting aside designated times each day to disconnect from screens, such as during meals or before bed, can reduce screen time and promote mental well-being. 14. Random acts of kindness. Making an effort to perform one small act of kindness each day, such as complimenting a stranger or helping a coworker, can create a ripple effect of positivity in your community. 15. Gratitude walk. Taking a short walk outside each day while focusing on appreciating the beauty of nature and expressing gratitude for the little things in life can boost mood and reduce stress. In conclusion, it's evident that small steps have the power to create significant changes in our lives. By embracing the concept of gradual progress and consistently implementing small actions, we can achieve remarkable transformations over time. And there you have it, folks. Small steps truly do lead to big changes in our lives. So, whether it's starting with a morning walk, practicing gratitude, or learning something new every day, remember that progress is progress, no matter how small. I encourage you to choose one small action to start with today and commit to it wholeheartedly. Let's embark on this journey of growth and transformation, one small step at a time. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal development and self-improvement. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep taking those small steps towards a brighter future.